amashomero kitwahikamo aho umurembo Rwampara na heru yaho batugambira bimwe ariyebi barabamo briefing.
And the briefing was very fine. They've trained us on what to do in the papers, and we've really loved it. So I give an advice to my fellow candidates to respect everything you've talked about, to also read hard so that we can excel.
Bwena hurira amashomero menshi kushangana ndio mudeta akakire dini asitamo briefing yanje then ntegereze ko banje yo kubanza
It's just wonderful. They're telling us the guidelines, of course, no copying, stay in school boundaries, and do what's necessary. And all I can tell to my fellow candidates is that it always feels impossible until it is done.
Mbona ni bashabwa gukora buryo mwege taho mutima. Kora buryo muzire ni bataho mutima. Kora buryo mushomesa ni bakora umuntu ugushyirize. Urebe cengu abana nabatunga ecabatwira ishemero.
Kandi twino kwicereza ahabana bitu abitwine kinana na mushanju umuseniya yakana bona tubatebekaniseje kandi nitube expecting amo gukora ikintu camani bakashikire bizamwe byahiguru nka okutubatebekanise twine mu twerarikira mukama yaba bahira amagara marunje twino kwesiga ngo bizamwe bintu baza kubikora je kandi babishikira higuru.
Abazaire nani bashaba tushabiye tubasekusha.
Can I see hands? The temporary what? First is very good. I want to encourage you. Atajiro wa kubiha ukaheza kushomotaka chila university ko. I know the reason why we are here is to study and end at where? At the university, but our life at the university is very good. God is from His Grace Lambert belong to Sha. Nani abazikire bigambo birungi na nebigisha kadeji babayambe.
Abazaire mushime kwana muhereza time abana banyu na munu abari mu day school kandi n'abari mu boarding mwe mubashabira because bamazire imyaka ena nkabasiniya 4 no bashoma.
Ubwiro butugumirwa abazaire nimangu fize tugumire sente tuzurho kunkiyo wori y'umuhinji ningo ry'omushubuzi itwe nkishomero tubasa kwatagana niwe leta ebihimbo bisupply ngo mu ishomero ninga ebihimba tubare mu kafizi.
Abazaire mwehare okuguma abana mbababinga amasomero bakutaha burikire ngo baza kuronda school fees.
Twaza ishomero ya Mbarara High School aho umurembo Rwampara hamahimbisibwe wenagira ngo abashomesa bakozere ogwabo.
Information regarding the UNEB exams, whether they are fake or genuine, they will come for me. The rule therefore does not simply apply to candidates only, but even to us, the teachers and the examination invigilators and managers.
Please, when we are talking about mobile phones, recently there is now a common trend of artificial intelligence.
Abeji bakutandika n'ekibuzo cha geography omukasheshe omwazyo bakore echa biology. Abwa TV West ndise Nyomo Gideon na Ali Waswa aho muri Mbarara.